Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a wing eyeliner look. For me, when I first started doing wing eyeliner, it was terrible. When I was looking like Gucci, when I was looking like Walmart, and I could not stand it. So like the saying goes, practice makes perfect. So a couple of tips and tricks I learned on how to get a good wing eyeliner look is to use different items. A couple items that I use are either floss and tape. So these are the two items that I've used back and forth to get a good wing eyeliner look. And for me, the most important part that you need is a good eyeliner pencil. This is NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner Pencil. If y'all watch me, this is my holy grail. I always use this as my wing eyeliner look because it has a good felt tip point. So this is what I'm going to use to show you on how to get a good wing eyeliner look. First, I'm grabbing my NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner Pencil and a floss, and I'm just drawing on my little flosser. And I'm going to place this on the corner of my eyes to lightly tap the black eyeliner that I have on it. And see, as you can tell, it makes a little line. And so what I'm going to do is just follow up along that line. And then I'm just going to grab that corner and then just go down to my eyes. Like so. And then if you want to, you can stop there and just fill it in, or you can, of course, go along your eyelids to finish the look. And I didn't have any eyeshadow on today, so I can show y'all how to do the wing eyeliner look. So I'm just filling this in. And there you have it. Right. Now I'm going to use tape for my other eye so I can show you on how I do that. So I'm just getting a little strip of tape and just put it right at the corner of my eyelid as well, wherever I want to have the wing eyeliner look start, like that. And then get my liner and then just follow along this line, just so you have that sharpness of that wing eyeliner look. And then do the same thing. Go to your eyelids and then just fill it on in. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm just grabbing my tape and gently lifting this up. And there you go, you got a nice crisp line. And of course I use this tape as well if you want to do a smoky eye look. Put the tape right there and then of course do your eyeshadow so you can have a nice cut crease right there underneath your eyes. And there you go, a nice wing eyeliner look. Until next time, bye guys.